going on, guys? Calvin Russell here, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Listen, I'm super excited to share with you guys about our new 850 Club software. For those who don't know, you can go ahead and create your free account today. And if you want to, you can upgrade your account, upload your credit report, tell the software what your credit goal is, whether you're looking to buy a home, buy a car, lower your car payment. No matter what that goal is, it will give you a customized game plan based on your current credit score and your credit report. That's not it. You also get access to all of our courses at no additional charge. That includes our business credit course. The same exact course that we used to charge thousands of dollars for back in the day is now part of this plan. All right. And you also get how to buy, of course, how to buy a home, how to buy rental property, and of course, how to buy a car as well too. So either way, I'm not gonna hold you up. I know you're gonna watch the video. We'll see you in the new 850 Club software. Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're gonna actually talk about, is this now a good time to still consider home ownership? As we know, foreclosures are on the rise, which is a great way to save a tremendous amount of money, in this housing market. Are we going to go into a recession? Will there be a housing bubble? To be honest, it's kind of too early to tell. Just being a real estate agent and a real estate brokerage owner but of course my wife and I, we haven't really seen a tremendous slowdown in buyers, I should say. Now, of course, the seller's market is kind of on the last tail end for multiple reasons. We got the holiday season coming up. It started in 2020, so it's got to fizzle out at some point. But what's worse than that is that a lot of people are, now going into foreclosure. Some people actually are going into foreclosure that just bought their properties in 2019, in 2020, because of that, depending on how far along they are in that pre-foreclosure process, many of them have to make a decision in the next 60 to 90 days. Now, again, some people, their auction is today or tomorrow or last week, but there's a lot of people their auction has not come up yet, and they're just not in the best financial position to get caught up on the mortgage, which means they have to leave the property. Now, of course, they can actually put some money in their pockets if they have a little bit of equity. Even if they break even, it's better than, getting the foreclosure on their credit report and actually not getting anything out of it. So I'm saying that to say, not only can you buy traditional things that are just listed on the market, but you have pre-foreclosures that are not necessarily directly listed where there is an agent to contact. A lot of people, just have the seller's information. But again, you got to tread lightly with this. So I would strongly recommend you work with a real estate brokerage that specializes in helping you get a pre-foreclosed home right before it actually forecloses. And don't get me wrong, even if it forecloses, now you're kind of negotiating with the bank. It's just a little bit easier to kind of work with the seller, especially if they have to move out at a certain period of time. Obviously, the numbers that work, that doesn't necessarily mean that, what Calvin said, we do pre-foreclosures, we can just pretty much get whatever we want. No, you can most definitely save some money because you know that the seller has a sense of urgency, and they're most definitely going to either get kicked out of that property, unfortunately, due to just missed payments, or they're going to actually get caught up, or of course they end up selling the property. So you most definitely should strongly consider that. At least have that conversation with the lender and or a real estate agent just to kind of learn more about that process. Interest rates are kind of doing what they always do. They go up, they go down. But again, just because they're a little bit higher than what they was 2019, they were not what they were back in 2005 and 2000, okay, in 1990. So if you kind of compare it to that, but don't get me wrong, obviously everyone wants to have a lower rate. So grab the rate, whatever you can, and then it's going to go down. And when it does go down, your payment will go down. You'll get a refund because your escrow may have a little bit more than it should, obviously, because it's prepared to have a certain amount of payments at that payment. So there's a lot of factors that are kind of going into that. And again, you still can maximize it. But if you guys want to wait, it's nothing wrong with waiting either. I'm just saying that, again, if you are dealing with something and you really want to change your living situation, whether it's because of your family, whether it's because of your current landlord, whatever that reason is, I still strongly suggest going into home ownership or rental property ownership, at least taking a look at the numbers. You should at least know what you can get approved for if you're ready and what you need to do. Now, if you're not sure what you need to do and you're not sure if your credit is there, you can create a free account at our new 850 Club software. And once you upload your credit report, it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do based on your current credit report and credit score to qualify for a home or rental property. Okay, it's a step step-by-step game plan based on your current situation. So make sure you guys take a look at that. And of course, you also get access to our home buying course and our business credit course and all the rest of our courses as well too at no additional charge just by having that account. All right. So we'll see you guys at the new 850 Club software because we want you to take advantage of home ownership. See, oh, by the way, of course, if you like this video, like it, you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we got nothing but great content well on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.